You do not need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to start making money on YouTube. Absolutely not. When I started my channel, within the first week, I was already starting to make money. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I started to make money and how you can start making money on your YouTube channel actually starting today, in as little as today. Now, I know you feel like God called you to start this journey of YouTube. You've got a message on your heart, or maybe you've got talents that you want to share, and you've been grinding on YouTube. You've been creating content. Nobody's watching, no money is coming in. And your hope was for you to start creating content, sharing your message, and hopefully make enough money in order to quit your 9 to 5. But that dream seems to be slipping further and further away. But I've got some hope for you, because you can actually make really good money on YouTube without even the YouTube partner program. And you don't even need to have a huge audience. And I'm going to prove it to you. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start to make money in your content, to monetize your content even with a small audience. And I'm telling you, this is going to give you the motivation you need in order to continue on your journey that you have been called to walk on. Because sometimes, when you're doing a lot of things and you're not seeing any results, and you just feel like you're working and working and working and there's nothing that you can see. But if you start to see that money start to come in, it's going to put some fuel behind your fire. I actually started to make money the first week that I started on YouTube. And so I know this works. And so stay tuned, because I'm going to be sharing all the things that you need to get started. Hello, star creators. This is Tate. If you're new here, I help faith-driven creators and small YouTubers grow and monetize their audience. Now, getting into monetizing your channel before you reach that YouTube partnership program, it is so important, because we know it's really hard to build a YouTube channel. I know it's hard, because it's still hard even after being monetized and trying to come up with content. And that's the reason why I'm sitting right here in my car. I have 4 kids, and just trying to find the time to create content, trying to, it's tough. Scripting, editing, responding to comments, all of these things. It's a challenge. But you know what? Either way, it's hard. Your dream is to become financially independent. So you can pick your hard. It's hard to be working a 9 to 5 that you absolutely do not like. It is hard for you to struggle for money and not have the kind of life that you want. And then it's also hard to build a YouTube channel and build a business and all of that. So it's like, pick your hard. Whichever hard you want to go with, pick your hard. I'm going to pick the hard that's going to lead to financial freedom. So you really have to commit yourself into this game that is YouTube. And then you also need to be strategic, because what I'm seeing a lot of is people are just chasing views, chasing subscribers, thinking that all they need to do is to get monetized and get to the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And then all of a sudden that's going to solve all of their financial problems. And that is not true, guys, because for every 1,000 views on your YouTube video, you make anywhere between $3 and $10, maybe 20, depending on your niche. But just think about it. So even if you were monetized, if you got 1,000 views on your video, you would make $3 on that video. So you really have to be strategic. And that's why I've been focusing on this whole idea of monetizing your YouTube channel in other ways. So on this channel, I talk about how to, reach the partner program, how to get your 1,000 subscribers, how to get your views, how to get your watch hours and all of that. But I've also started to emphasize the fact that you need to start thinking about other ways to monetize your YouTube channel, so that you're not getting burnt out and not seeing results and not just working for the algorithm and making very small amounts of money. So the 2 things that I focus on this channel are monetizing your content by providing a digital product that solves the pain points of your audience, and or affiliate marketing. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? So basically, affiliate marketing is recommending a product. So many of you already recommend products. So somebody sees you wearing a nice dress and they're like, oh, where did you get that? Oh, I got it from this store. So you've been recommending all kinds of products, but you just haven't been paid for it. So basically what affiliate marketing is you recommend certain products and then you make a commission on those products. Now, there's 2 types of products that you can promote on your affiliate links. You can promote physical products or you can promote digital products. Now, depending on your niche, you might need to do one or the other, or you could do both. So how does that work with YouTube? So the way that works with your YouTube channel is that you can put links, affiliate links, in your description of your video, and then you make reference to these products or services or whatever it is that you're speaking about. Depending on your niche, you make references to these products and you direct your viewers to go check out the products, to go click on the link and purchase the item if that is something that they're interested in. So let's take, for example, let's say you have a cooking channel. You have a cooking channel, you're not seeing a lot of views, maybe you're struggling, but then you have some people that actually watch your channel and they love it, and it may not be a huge audience. So what you would do then is, in one of your videos where you are cooking a certain meal, maybe there's a pan that you absolutely love, and maybe that company has an affiliate program and they will give you a commission if you recommend that pot to your audience. So this is just an example. So these can go from very low ticket items, from just everyday items that you can find on Amazon. And Amazon does have a partner program, an affiliate program that you can sign up to, where you can put links to Amazon products within your video description. And if somebody clicks on that, whatever they go and buy on Amazon, you make a commission of that sale. That's how I was able to start making money right away on my channel, because I started to put links in the description of my videos talking about the different things that I was using on my channel. And things like this microphone, things like some of the tools that I use in order to create my videos. So I would make references to the things in the description, and then people would go and click on it, and then whatever they buy. So let's say they click on this particular product and they go to Amazon. And the thing with Amazon is that when you click on a specific product, even if you don't buy that particular product, whatever you end up buying within 24 hours, you make that commission on whatever they buy. So I could have just linked to this microphone right here, and then somebody clicks on it, and then maybe they don't buy it because they don't really like it. But then 5 hours later, they go buy a television for like $1,000. Then I would make a commission on that very products. So that's how you are able to monetize your YouTube channel, even if you have a small audience. Now, the beauty of this is that you don't need to have your own product. You don't have to create your own product, because the other thing that I also talk about on this channel is creating digital products in order to solve your clients, your viewers' problems. But with affiliate marketing, you don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to create the product. All you're doing is sending people to a particular product. If they love it and they buy it, you make a commission. If you're in the fitness industry, if there's a certain type of protein powder that you use, dumbbells, whatever it is that people would in your niche would be using, you promote those products and you make a commission on those sales. So this is something that you need to implement immediately within your channel so you can start seeing money coming in. And at first it may not be a lot of money, but you know what? It's going to give you that motivation that you need. Now, the good thing about digital products is that you can get a much higher commission on those sales of digital products. Why? Because they're digital products. People don't really have a lot of cost of goods sold, or, they haven't spent money for that thing. So they're willing to give you even up to 85% on an affiliate commission. So for example, when I started on my YouTube journey, I stumbled on a digital marketing course that kind of taught me all of these things that I'm now sharing on this YouTube channel: how to create digital products, how to do affiliate marketing, how to do e-commerce, how to do print on demand. All of those things were in this course. And the course also has an affiliate program. So that means that I purchase the course and then I am able to resell that course and make a commission on that. And the commission is 85%. Every time I sell that course, I'm making 85% of the sale on this particular course. So if you're looking at the cost of this course, it is $497. And if I make 85% on this course, that means I am making $422 per every sale that I make through my affiliate link. So think about that. The course is $497 and the company is willing to give me 85% of the profit, and they keep only 15%. That's the beauty of promoting digital products as your affiliate links. So this is how you can really supercharge your income, by solving the pain points of your viewers and promoting a product that you did not even create. You can refer them to a course that solves their problem. So let's say your channel is about dog training and you don't have a course on dog training. So you can actually find someone who already has a course on dog training that you think is good, that you can recommend on your channel. And what that means is that with most digital products, they will give you at least 50% commission. So let's say that course is $300 for that course, and your viewers, they want to have a course that teaches them how to train their dog. So you would then recommend this course, that they get this course, and it's going to help them do X, Y, and Z with their dog. And that will not only help them, it will also allow you to make a 50% commission on that sale. So let's say it's $300 course, then you would make $150 for every single course that you're able to sell on your video. So now compare this to just relying on YouTube partner program money. So like I said in the beginning, if you are making YouTube partner program money, you're looking at about between $3 and $20 for every 1,000 views that you get on your video. So let's say 1,000 people watch your video about dog training, and out of that 1,000 people, 10 of them buy the course through your affiliate link. So that is $150 that you would make in commission. Now you multiply that by 10. That means you would make $1,500 on that video if only just 10 people out of the 1,000 people that have watched your video would buy that course. This is where it's at. So don't just focus on trying to get your 1,000 subscribers. Don't just focus on trying to get your 4,000 watch hours so you can start making that YouTube money. And that's fine if that's because I actually used that as a goal when I started my channel, because I was like, okay, that's a good place for me to say, okay, this is where I want to get the monetization. I knew it was just a milestone. Now, where to find these affiliate programs? One of the best websites to find affiliate products, whether it be physical or digital products, is ClickBank. That is one of the most well-known ones, where you can find products from every spectrum you can think about. And you can have high ticket offers and you can have low ticket offers. So when you're talking high ticket, you're talking about things that are over $1,000 or above. Now, if you think that you need to have a lot of followers in order to start making money with affiliate marketing, you're absolutely wrong. Because I just was watching one big YouTube guru who was talking about how when she first started her YouTube channel, she signed up for a couple of affiliate programs that she put links to in her description of her videos, and then she totally forgot about it. And then like 2 years later, she logged in, she had like $16,000, and till today, like years later, she's still making commissions on that sale.
I was teaching the affiliate marketing module. I logged in, I had $15,000 sitting in there that I had no idea about. $15,000. Do you want to know how many videos I made with those links? 2. I made $15,000 from 2 YouTube videos with affiliate marketing. And you're telling me you don't want to learn?
So don't give up. Don't give up on your journey, because God wants to take you to another level. And it's going to take hard work to go from where you are now to where you want to be. But in that process of that hard work you're going to be doing, you're going to be growing and becoming the person who God has called you to be. You're going to be growing and becoming that person that is able to receive that type of wealth from God and from the things that you're learning. So don't get weary in well doing. Keep strong, stay strong. Like I said, choose your hard. It's hard to stay where you are and it's hard to move forward, but it's better for you to pick the hard that is moving you forward towards your goal of financial freedom. I saw this quote the other day and it hit me like right here. It said, "The only person coming to save you is the version of you that is sick and tired of being where you are." I was like, whoa, that's a good one. So the version of you that is tired of being in the same place is the only person who's coming to save you. Because you know what? God has already saved us. God has already provided everything that we need. But faith without works is dead. We have to step into what God is calling us to do and actually do it with excellence and actually persevere and do what needs to be done, even when we're not seeing the results that we want to see. And that's how God takes us into the next level. That's how He grows us. And that's how we become that new version of ourselves that is able to receive wealth from God, that is able to create wealth, that is able to be that person that God is calling us to be. So I really hope that this video helped you and has opened up your mind to start thinking a little bit bigger when it comes to your channel so that you can actually start to make money. And if you need help and need the guidance, then grab my fast track to monetization, because it is going to give you everything you need to not only get monetized on YouTube, getting views, getting subscribers, getting to your 4,000 watch hours, but it is also going to give you the exact step-by-step process and blueprint to get you to start making money with your digital products and your affiliate links. And you will not regret it, because it is packed full of everything that you need to go from making no money at all to making money within as little as 7 days. And if after 90 days you haven't even made any money and you followed what I said in the guide, I will give you your money back. And that's how certain I am that everything that I share in this guide is going to get you from not making any money to actually seeing sales and seeing money come into your bank account. So I will put a link in the description so you can go ahead and get that guide. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.